Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the military mom coming to you from the Operations Center with a Coach double unboxing. These are two purchases that I made from eBay, and I am going to credit Bag Hound with these purchases. It all started with a bag that I saw on her channel when she shared her current collection with us, and that bag was the Coach Clarkson Hobo. I just stopped the video at that point and went on a hunt for that bag. I ended up buying that bag in the color sage with silver hardware, which I thought was beautiful. However, at the same time that I unboxed that Clarkson Hobo from Coach, I unboxed a pale blue satchel in pebble leather from Dooney & Bourke, and yeah, the pale blue Dooney & Bourke won out. So I returned the Clarkson Hobo, and the reason that I did was I didn't need two bags in this. Well, I can't say that because I was going to say I didn't need two bags in the same color family, but as a handbagger, that goes out of the window because we have different shades of the same, color. Anyway, I think what happened is I was at the time looking for just a different shape of bag, and so I ended up with these two bags. So let me show you what I got. I'm going to start with the smallest item first, and hold on one second, that is distracting. I got a message, and this is how the seller packaged the bag in this little box, which just fit, and there was really no weather protection, but the bag arrived in good shape. So I have no idea if this is the front or the back of the bag. That's the back. This is the front. So this is the Coach Dreamer crossbody bag. And let me come in a little closer. I'll give you a tour. I scored this NWT from eBay, new with tags, and this is a bi-caramel bag with the Coach inverted exterior back zip. And I am not the craziest about the inverted zipper, but it is an exterior pocket, so I'm not gonna be too picky because at least I have one. So there is the exterior zip. This is the back of the bag, and you will see that the exterior zip is pretty substantial. And then around to the front, the hardware here is for this snap on the front pocket. And the front pocket is collared in leather, and the front pocket is really a nice size. All of that is pocket, and you'll see some rivets there. Pebble leather. This color is beechwood. This is chalk. And here's a look at the hardware. This bag comes with a shoulder strap that is non-detachable. And then she comes with a crossbody strap that is detachable. And the crossbody strap is two-tone, the birch and the chalk. And she has two zippered compartments. in addition to her 2 exterior pockets. And let me just remove the stuffing from these compartments. The bag did come with a dust bag. So here is the first compartment, and you'll see that it has a snap. And then the second compartment has a zip. So I'm going to detach the shoulder strap, I'm sorry, the crossbody strap, and show you what she looks like with just the shoulder strap. She passes the elbow test with just the shoulder strap. Very, very, of course, slim silhouette against the body. She's lightweight. And I am going to pull out a Coach cosmetic case. Throw her in here so that you can see what she looks like when she has an SLG, when she's carrying an SLG. So there is the Coach Dreamer crossbody in the color beechwood and chalk and pebble leather. Now I am going to show you all the zipper hardware, and I'm going to show you something that I am not 100% crazy about, and I've never said this about a Coach bag, that I'm not 100% crazy about something, but do you see that O-ring? Do you see that break right there in the O-ring? I have never seen a break like that on a Dooney & Bourke O-ring. I'm just saying. I'm not saying it's a flaw. I'm just sharing an observation. It does have the Coach engraved on the O-ring, which is a nice little detail. And there is on the second ring that break. The shoulder strap is monochromatic in color, and the crossbody strap is color block. It is both chalk and beechwood, dog clip, and just for kicks and giggles, I am going to attach one of my Coach guitar straps. And I'm putting this on the front so that the shoulder strap hangs on the back. So the guitar strap is Coach signature with whip stitching, and originally it had some fringes, but I didn't like the fringes, so I got rid of those. So here is the Dreamer crossbody with the Coach guitar strap. All right, so that's the first unboxing. The second unboxing is, again, an eBay purchase, and the seller packaged this bag with some weather protection, so thank you, seller, whoever you are. The sellers put the item in the dust cover. This is not, the Dreamer is not a 1941 item, so I've given you a hint into what's actually in this bag because I have a Dreamer satchel in almost the same color family as the Dreamer crossbody. And this Dreamer satchel, look at the whip stitching edging on this bag. You all, I absolutely fell in love with this bag. This was not, I'm gonna say maybe this was not Bag Hound, but it was, because when I saw the Clarkson Hobo on Bag Hound's channel and I bought it, and the Dooney and Burke satchel in pale blue won out over the Clarkson Hobo in sage with silver hardware, I went on a search. I found another Clarkson, but this bag popped into the picture, and I really preferred this bag more than the Clarkson. I thought that maybe it fit my style better. And then because of the Dreamer shoulder bag, the Dreamer crossbody, then I got into Dreamers on a whole and found this one with the whip stitching and the whip stitching on the satchel straps, and just fell in love with the dark hardware, how it contrasted with this bag, and I am in love with this bag. This is again size, style. So Military Mom loves the front snap pocket, again with that hardware where the snap is, and I love the back snap pocket again with that hardware. I am totally fanatical about this dark hardware. The two exterior pockets, I love the color blocking. This bag has so much visual interest, and of course it's a zip, which in my book is always a win-win. It came with the pillow, yes it did. And it also has a monochromatic shoulder strap that obviously is detachable. It has the Coach hang tag, and then it has a little Coach charm, a little C. She has feet. There is absolutely nothing about this bag that I do not like. Her crossbody strap attaches on opposite sides, which it should. So let me show you really quickly. That's the wrong strap. How it looks when the shoulder strap is attached and how it hangs. And then in the crook of my arm, and then of course the handles collapse. You have smooth leather, but the whip stitching, and then the whip stitching on the handles, and then the contrast of the hardware just makes this bag to me so adorable. So here she is in the crook of my arm. As I said, a perfect size for me. And again, for kicks and giggles, I am going to actually, let me try this other guitar strap. This is my T-Rose guitar strap, and I think it matches the hardware. So let's just really quickly attach this so that I can show you how it looks with an alternate strap. And I'm bringing the T-Rose strap in close so that you can see that it has some color there that is picked up in the bag. So there you have it, handbaggers, the two newest Coach additions to my collection. Thank you for dropping by the Duck's Nest, hanging out with me for a little while in the Operations Center, and hopefully you found something that was either interesting, informative, or just entertaining in this video. As always, happy carrying.